एमएससी फोर्थ सेमेस्टर एमजीकेबीपी काशी विद्यापीठ यूनिवर्सिटी वाराणसी सिलेबस एमएससी फिजिक्स फोर्थ सेमेस्टर स्टैटिकल मैकेनिक्स फर्स्ट पेपर यूनिट फर्स्ट बेसिक ऑफ स्टैटिकल मैकेनिक्स फाउंडेशन ऑफ स्टैटिकल मैकेनिक्स स्पेसिफिकेशन ऑफ स्टेट ऑफ ए सिस्टम कॉन्टैक्ट बिटवीन स्टैटिक्स एंड थर्मोडायनामिक्स क्लासिकल आइडियल गैस एंट्रोपी ऑफ मिक्सिंग एंड गिब्स पैराडॉक्स फेज स्पेस ट्रेमेटोरीज एंड डेंसिटी ऑफ स्टेट लेवली थ्योरम यूनिट 2 ensemble theory micro canonical and grand canonical ensemble partition function calculation of statical quantity unit 3 statical density matrix statics of ensemble statics of indistinguishable particle Maxwell Boltzmann Fermi Dirac and Bose-Einstein statics properties of ideal Bose and Fermi gases Bose-Einstein condensation unit 4th Stirling model cluster expression for the classical gases various expression of state Stirling model means field theories of Einstein model Stirling model in 1, 2 and 3 dimension exact solution in 1 dimension MSc 4th semester nuclear physics second paper unit first nuclear two body problem simple theory of neutron spin independence and central feature of nuclear forces partial waves analysis low energy np scattering length and effector range theory low energy pp scattering charge symmetric and charge independence of nuclear forces mention theory of nuclear forces unit second nuclear models evidence of cell structure magic numbers and spin orbit coupling extreme single particles model prediction of spin parity and electromagnetic moment collective model vibrational and rotational spectra unit third classification of elementary particle exact convergence law approximate convergence law isospin and isospin function for pion nucleons system strangeless parity reversal and charge conmugation cp violation unit 4th 8 folds way quartz interaction SU quartz model magnetic dipole moment of baryons mass hadrons basic ideal about the standard models MSc 4th semester electronics third electronics unit first amplitude modulator spectrums the modulated single square law modulator balance modulator DSB SC SSB and Westinghouse sideband modulators limitation of amplitude modulation AM receiver unit second frequency modulator analysis and frequency spectral generation of detection of FM comparison of AM and pre-emphasis and dis-emphasis reactance modulation capture effect wire extractor modulator amplitude limitation receiver Foster Seeley discriminator ratio detector unit third radar and television radar principle of radar elementary radar system pre-rendered characteristic and maximum range radar set duplexer radar beacons television general principle of image transmission scanning sequence and synchronization television camera tubes elementary of color television unit for microwave and digital communication microwave generator high frequency generator problem keysters amplifier and oscillator guns oscillator and microwave component digital communication sampling theorem modulation pulse code pulse amplitude pulse position pulse with modulation differential PCM delta modulation digital communication system digital carrier system frequency keys phase shift keying difference phase shift keys division multiplexing MSc physics 4th semester electronic fourth paper unit first combinational logic circuit pin out diagram truth table and working decoder 1 of 4 IC 74AS139 A1 of 16 AIC 74 154 BCD 2 decimal decoder IC7445 BCD, 2 even 7 segment decoder driver IC7447A, 7448 encoder decimal priority encoder IC74147 multiplexer implementation of Boolean function using multiplexer demultiplexer decoder. Unit second, memory device, real read only memory, mask memory, ROM programmable, ROM random access memory, statics and dynamics bipolar RAM cells, statics RAM cells. Unit third, A/D and D/K converter, binary weightage register, D/K converter, ladder networks, D/K converter, specification, resolution, accuracy, linearity, settling time, temperature sensitivity, flash A/D converter, ramp A/D converter, schedule approximation A/D converter. Unit for microprocessor and displayed, LED displayed, common anode display, F1D 507, F1D 567, common cathode display, F1D 500, F1D 560, flat panel display, LCD, plasma etc. and their addressing technique, smart window, internal microprocessor, historical perspective, architecture of microprocessor 8085, addressing mode and instruction set of 8085, programming jump. MSc Physics semester first / second practical, list of experimental, high starting curve by blasting methods, by oscillograph या FET MOSFET, तीसरा अल्ट्रासोनिक डिफ्रैक्शन, चौथा माइकलसन इंटरफेरोमीटर, पांचवा इलास्टिक कांस्टेंट बाय न्यूटन्स रिंग्स, हॉल इफेक्ट, यूज ऑफ कांस्टेंट डेविएशन स्पेक्ट्रोग्राफ, आठवां क्यू ऑफ क्वायल्स, प्लांक्स कांस्टेंट, रिचार्ड्स इक्वेशन, GM काउंटर 12, एनर्जी बैंड ऑफ गैप ऑफ सेमीकंडक्टर, फोरियर एनालिसिस बाय CRO, एक्सपेरिमेंटल ऑन लेजर. MSc Physics semester third fourth practical, list of experimental, study of characteristics of amplifier, negative feedback amplifier, study of multiplicator, study of oscillator, amplitude modulation and demodulation, 1A 1D and 1OR gate of universal gate, 7 DA and AD converter, characteristics of operational amplifier and investing non-investing and desumming amplifier, study of time 555, series regulated power supply, multiplex and demultiplex, 13 study encoder and decoder of and BCD to saving segment, 14 microprocessor, 15 use of computers. Note, at least 5 experiment in each semester. Total experiment must be minimum 20 in 4 semester. Addition and deletion of experiment based on the syllabus may be done by the respective department. Candidate must obtain minimum pass marks in theory and practical examinator separately. Once experiment 50 marks, viva 30 marks, records 20 marks, total 100 marks each semester. Time of our experiment in 6 hours. MG काशी विद्यापीठ यूनिवर्सिटी वाराणसी, MSc फोर्थ सेमेस्टर फिजिक्स, पेपर फर्स्ट 2015, स्टैटिकल मैकेनिक्स. नोट्स, आंसर द 5 इक्वेशन इन ऑल शॉर्ट आंसर टाइप क्वेश्चन. 1 कैरिंग 40 मार्क्स इन compulsory answer 1 question carrying 15 marks from each unit. The answer to short question should not exceed 300 words and the answer to long question should not exceed 500 words. पहला, give short answer of the following. 4 into 10 equal to 40. A, state and explain the concept of equal a priori probability. B, what is Gibbs paradox? What is resolved? C, narrate the importance of phase space of statistical system. D, explain partition function and its significance of statistical mechanics. E, show the difference among micro canonical and grand canonical ensemble. F, define density matrix. How does it vary times? G, explain the significance of Vernicial equation of states. H, gives the basis of isolic models. I compare the basic populated of BE and FD statics. J classified the following particles on the base of BE and FD statics: proton, neutron, electrons, holes, alpha particle, hydrogen atom, hydrogen molecules, lithium ions. Unit first, ये 2 का A, so that the entropy of system is proportional to the logarithmic probability of that system. B, deduce an expression of the number of 6-dimensional phase of space or derive Lovely theorem for the change of density of distribution with times and so that the density of those phase is converted. Unit second, explain macro canonical ensemble, use it to derive the expression of Maxwell velocity distribution of a perfect gas. पचमा ए, सो दैट द मीन्स ऑफ फ्री एनर्जी इन टर्म्स ऑफ पार्टीशन फंक्शन जेड इज गिवन बाई ई बार इक्वल टू माइनस डेभा लॉग जेड अपान डेभा बीटा वेयर बीटा इक्वल टू 1 अपान के टी बी, सो दैट द हैमिल्टन फ्री एनर्जी इज गिवन बाई यू इक्वल टू एन के टी स्क्वायर डेभा लॉग जेड अपान डेभा टी. यूनिट थर्ड 6, व्हाट इज द परफेक्ट बोस गैस, डिराइव द एक्सप्रेशन एन 0 अपान म्यू इक्वल टू कोष्टक में 1 माइनस टी अपान टी सब इसमें सी के खाते 3 बटा 2 फार टी इज लेस देन टी सब इसमें सी बोस आइंस्टीन कंडेंसेशन. व्हाट वे बी ई कंडेंसेशन ऑफ डिफरेंट फ्रॉम कंडेंसेशन ऑफ वेस्पर इनटू लिक्विड्स. और 7 का ए, व्हाट डू यू मीन्स बाय डीजनरेट गैस, हाउ डज द डीजनरेटी ऑफ बीई एंड एफडी गैसेस डिफर. B, what is Fermi gas, deduce the expression of energy of the a Fermi gas at 0. Unit 4th A, 8वां का explain isolic model, how can the result isolic models explain applied to a lactic gas, derive the viral expression of theory of impact gas. MSc 4th semester physics nuclear second 2015 nuclear second. Note, answer the 5 question in art short all short answer type question में है. gives the answer of the following, state and observe properties of neutron in the group state. दूसरा, what is scattering length, explain the significance of scattering length. तीसरा, what are the interference draw from low energy NP and PN scattering. चौथा, write the achievement of a failure of liquid drop models. पांचवा, व्हाट आर द एज्यूम्पशन ऑफ द सेल मॉडल ऑफ न्यूक्लियस. छठवां, व्हाट डू यू मीन्स बाय एलिमेंट्री पार्टिकल्स. सातवां, डिफाइन द टर्म्स बोसान, फर्मियंस, हाइड्रॉन्स एंड बैरियंस. आठवां, गिव्स द एविडेंस सपोर्टिंग ऑफ क्वार्क मॉडल. नौवां, व्हाट डू यू मीन्स बाय सीपी वायोलेशन. 10वां, write quarks contents of photons and neutrons and determine the value of electric charge of nucleus using the corresponding charge of quarks. Unit first, discuss the low energy NP scattering by partial wave analysis methods and find the expression of the total scattering cross section so that the scattering is isotropic. Or A, discuss how the ground states of neutrons suggest the spin independence of nuclear force. B, neutrons is bounded by a square Weyl potential of depth v sub 0 and range B. Find the relation between v sub 0 and B when the neutron is a pure 3s1 states. Unit second, discuss the single particle cell model of the nucleus and how it produce magic number. B, what angular momentum of particles are predicted by the cell model of the ground state of 5b11 7n 16 13 al 27. Are explain of collective models of nucleus and so that it explain the derivation of magnetic moments of Schmidt curves. Unit third, A, what are the conservation law of their validity in strong electromagnetic interaction, explain with the help of example. B, what do you mean by isospin and strangeness, or stabilize the connection between variation, symmetric and conservation law. What is the status of C conservation, P conservation, CP conservation and CPT conservation in various interaction. What is the consequence of CPT invariance. Unit 4, explain the quark hypothesis and write the variance number, charge and spin for the quarks. Also write the quarks composition of omega minus and pi minus and determine the value of strangeness using quark composition. Or write the short notes quark interaction SU3 quark model. Answer the following question in short. पहला, what should be the power in an amplitude modulated was when modulation in 100% and carrier power is 10 watts. दूसरा, what are the advantage of FM over AM. तीसरा, why the range of television is much smaller compared that the ratio transmission. चौथा, what are the possible phased in conventional tube for the frequency generation. पाँचवा, what are meant by synchronization in TV. आठवां, draw the frequency spectrum of DSBSC waves. Generate equation. सातवां, why duplexer is used to in a radar system. Explain that it's provide isolation. आठवां, what is means by the Y and Q signals in color TV. नौवां, what are the some way of jamming or confusing energy radar. दसवां, explain the transient time effect. दूसरा, explain the amplitude modulation of ratio wave and discuss suitable methods to achieve it. What is SSB system. और तीसरा, in what respect a super heterodyne receiver is better than turns the ratio frequency receiver. How the IF of super heterodyne receiver is selected. Why does the local oscillator frequency kept higher than the incoming ratio frequency single broadcast band. Unit second. चौथा, explain pre-emphasis and de-emphasis. Sketch a typical emphasis circuit and explain why pre-emphasis must also used to describe the ratio of detector. और पाँचवा, what do you means by Foster sleeve discriminator. Describe a mathematical analysis and draw the discriminator characteristic. Unit third. A6 state the principle of on which the radar works, gives its basic arrangement and derive the equation of range. A radar system operated at 3 semi with a peak of power 500 kilowatts. It receiver with capture area 5 semi square is capable of detecting a minimum power 10 to the power minus 13 watts if the effective area of the target is 20 meter square. Calculate the maximum range of radar. Satma, explain the principle of a picture transmission. Describe the principle and working of a videocons camera tubes used in television transmission. Unit 4th. Atma, derive an expression of output and efficiency of a double resonator klystron. In what respect does the double resonator klystrons differ from the relaxed klystrons? Now, what are the advantage of pulse modulation system? Discuss pulse width and pulse code modulation system with the circuit diagram gives main feature of frequency division multiplexing. Unit 4th. System physics 4th paper electronics 4th. पहला, give short answer the following. पहला, implement the following expression using a multiplexer. f of a comma b comma c comma d equal to summation m question में 0 comma 2 comma 3 comma 6 comma 8 comma 9 comma 12 comma 14. दूसरा, what will be the output of decoder 74154 in if the scope is high, the data input low, and the control inputs are the as follow. A 1010 B 1101 C 1001 D 0000. तीसरा, what is difference between SRAM and DRAM. चौथा, what is the difference between a memory cell and a memory words. पांचवा, what will the binary variant weight of each bits in the following cases. 3 bit resistive divider, 4 bits resistive divider. C 5 bit resistive divider, 6 bit resistive divider. छठवां, draw a R to R lander networks are 6 bit. आठवां सातवां, calculate the percent solution of 7 bit D/A converter. सातवां, What is the difference between LCD and LED? Nova. What are 1 byte, 2 byte and 3 byte instruction? Daswa. Explain the following instruction. A. MOV C, D. B. SUB C, D. Add B, D. Anna D. Unit first. To step a segment LED display using 7447 BCD to 7 segment decoded driver. Or 3. What is demultiplexer? How can a decoder circuit be used as a demultiplexer? Gives the block diagram of 4 to 6 lines demultiplexer. Unit second. 4. Explain the various types of memory and their merits and demerits. Or 5. Explain ROM and RAM organization and methods of addressing. Unit third. 6. Describe a dual slope analog and digital converter and mention its application. Or 7. Explain D/A converter specification. 8. What is an LCD? Explain the operator of a reflective type LCD. Is it a diode? Or 9. What are the basic segments of microprocessor? Verify. Mention that in function. What is the configuration of the widely used 60-bit microprocessor? Unit 4th. सेमेस्टर फिजिक्स फर्स्ट 2016 स्टैटिकल मैकेनिक्स. गिव शॉर्ट आंसर द फॉलोइंग. पहला, व्हाट डू यू मीन्स बाय एन इंसेंबल? डिस्कस द डिफरेंस टाइप्स ऑफ इंसेंबल. दूसरा, व्हाट इज द फेज स्पेस डिवाइडेड इनटू फेज सेल्स? व्हाट इज द मिनिमम साइज ऑफ द फेज सेल इन द क्लासिकल एंड क्वांटम स्टैटिक्स. तीसरा, स्टेट एंड स्टैटिकल कंडीशन ऑफ इक्विलिब्रियम बिटवीन टू सिस्टम ऑफ थर्मल कॉन्टैक्ट. चौथा, डिराइव एन इक्वेशन ऑफ मीन एनर्जी ऑफ molecules of perfect gas is in terms of partition function. पांचवा, discuss the phenomenon of boson-Einstein condensation in briefs. छठवां, 5 boson are distributed in 2 boxes. There are 3 cells in the first box and 4 cells in the second box. Calculate the thermodynamics possibilities of the microstatics 1, 5, 0 and 2, 3, 2. Satma, explain the condition under which Bose-Einstein and Fermi-Dirac statics yield to the classical statics. Satma, so that the average kinetic energy of a free particles at 0 Kelvin in 3/5 of the Fermi energy. Daswa, Noma, state the condition of applicability of Fermi-Dirac and Bose-Einstein statics. Daswa, discuss the cluster expansion of classical gases in brief. Unit first. 2 A. What do you mean by Gibbs paradox in connection with the entropy of the perfect gas? How was it resolved? B. Calculate the number of the phase cells in the energy range 0 to E from a particle of mass m in volume V. Also calculate the number of microstates in the energy range E to E and E plus dE. तीसरा, state and prove Levy theorem for the flow of phase points and discuss its significance. 15. What do you mean by partition function? Find the expression for partition function of molecules of a perfect gas. Also derive the expression of entropy and specific heat of molecules in terms of partition function. तीसरा, prove that the probability of a system exhibiting any one particular microstate of energy E suffix में H when equilibrium with a heat receivator at absolute temperature T is P1 equal to E के खाते minus E1 oblique KT upon summation E के खाते minus E suffix में I upon KT. B. Determine the trajectory of a one-dimensional harmonic oscillator in two-dimensional x p suffix में x phase space. Also find the region of state assembled in the oscillator. Unit third. छठवां, write down the main points of hypothesis of Fermi-Dirac statics and deduce the Fermi-Dirac distribution law. और 7 का A. Apply Bose-Einstein statics of black body radiation and derive Planck radiation law. B. Obtain expression of the energy of Fermi gases at absolute zero of a temperature. Discuss the variation of Fermi energy of free electron with temperature. Unit 4. 8वां, write down the basis of Ising model, discuss the field theory of Ising model and get the exact solution in the one dimension. 9वां, explain the significance of various equation of state, derive and discuss and suitable equation of the state real gas. MSc फिजिक्स फोर्थ सेमेस्टर पेपर सेकेंड, न्यूक्लियर फिजिक्स सेकेंड. पहला, शॉर्ट आंसर टाइप द फॉलोइंग. पहला, व्हाट आर द सेंट्रल एंड नॉन सेंट्रल फोर्सेस, गिव वन एग्जांपल ऑफ ईच. दूसरा, व्हाट आर द इन्फरेंस ड्रा फ्रॉम लो एनर्जी एनपी एंड पीपी स्कैटरिंग. तीसरा, एक्सप्लेन वाई फॉर लो एनर्जी यू हैव ओनली द यस वेव स्कैटरिंग. चौथा, एक्सप्लेन द लिमिटेशन एंड फेलर ऑफ सिंगल पार्टिकल सेल मॉडल. पाँचवा, डिस्कस वेरीफाई द सेल मॉडल ऑफ द ग्राउंड स्टेट 8O17 एंड 13 ZN67. छठवां, डिस्कस द कलेक्टिव मॉडल ऑफ न्यूक्लियाई. सातवां, व्हाट डू यू अंडरस्टैंड बाय आइसोस्पिन. आठवां, व्हाट इज द जेलमान-निंजा क्लासिफिकेशन स्कीम ऑफ स्ट्रेंज पार्टिकल. नौवां, व्हाट इज SU3 क्वार्ट्ज मॉडल. 10वां, व्हाट डू यू मीन्स बाय क्वार्क इंटरेक्शन. यूनिट फर्स्ट, गिव एन एग्जांपल सिंपल थ्योरी ऑफ द ग्राउंड स्टेट ऑफ न्यूट्रॉन्स. तीसरा, डिफाइन रिएक्शन क्रॉस सेक्शन यूजिंग पार्टिशियल वेव एनालिसिस, ऑब्टेन एक्सप्रेशन ऑफ स्कैटरिंग एंड रिएक्शन क्रॉस सेक्शन. 15. यूनिट सेकेंड. चौथा, डिस्क्राइब द लिक्विड ड्रॉप मॉडल ऑफ द न्यूक्लियस, हाउ कैन सेमी इंपेरिकल mass formula be derived from it, mention the uses of this model. Pachma, show that the magnetic moment is determined of a nucleus, which types of nucleus process quadruple moments. In third. 6. What is conservation law of elementary particles and their validity in strong electromagnetic and weak interaction, explains CBT theorem. 7. What is short notes on. पहला, एलिमेंट्री पार्टिकल. दूसरा, स्ट्रेंज पार्टिकल. यूनिट फोर्थ. 8वां, राइट शॉर्ट नोट्स ऑन. पहला, 8 फोल्ड वे ऑफ क्वार्ट्ज. दूसरा, मैग्नेटिक डाइपोल मोमेंट ऑफ बैरियंस. और 9वां का पहला, गिव्स द क्वार्ट्ज पिक्चर ऑफ द फॉलोइंग पार्टिकल्स. ए न्यूट्रॉन्स, बी प्रोटॉन्स, सी डेल्टा डबल प्लस, डी ओमेगा माइनस, ई समेशन प्लस. व्हाट डू यू मीन्स बाय CP वाइब्रेशन. MSc फोर्थ सेमेस्टर फिजिक्स पेपर थर्ड, स्पेशल पेपर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक थर्ड. आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन इन शॉर्ट्स. व्हाट इज साइड बॉयंट्स, व्हाई डिड द इम्पोर्टेंस. दूसरा, मेंशन द वेरिएशन एडवांटेज ऑफ हेटेरोडाइन्स रिसीवर ओवर टर्न्स रेशियो ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी रिसीवर. तीसरा, वेरीफाई डिस्क्राइब द सेंसिटिव ऑफ नॉइज फिंगर विथ रिस्पेक्ट द कम्युनिकेशन ब्रॉडकास्ट रिसीवर. चौथा, व्हाट इज द इमेज फ्रीक्वेंसी, हाउ इज द फ्रीक्वेंसी रिजेक्टेड अचीव्ड. पांचवा, व्हाट इज द सिग्निफिकेंस ऑफ डॉपलर इफेक्ट इन रडार्स, वेयर डज दिस इफेक्ट फाइंड द एप्लीकेशन. सातवां, व्हाट इज ए रेशियो बीकॉन्स, वाई, हाउ डज इट प्रोवाइड्स नेगेटिवेशन एट्स. 7वां, व्हाट इज द स्कैनिंग, वाई इज वर्टिकल स्कैनिंग नेसेसरी इन एडिशन टू हॉरिजॉन्टल स्कैनिंग. 8वां, व्हाट इज ट्रांसपोंडर, व्हाट आर द एडवांटेज ऑफ एनी लिमिटेशन ऑफ माइक्रोवेव ट्रांसमिशन. 9वां, व्हाट इज द टाइम डिवीजन मल्टीप्लेक्सिंग. 10वां, व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन PWM and PPM, हाउ कैन PWM बी कन्वर्टेड टू ए PPM वेव्स. यूनिट फर्स्ट. दूसरा, व्हाट डू यू मीन्स बाय वेजिकल साइड बैंड ट्रांसमिशन, हाउ कैन द प्रैक्टिकल अचीव्ड, व्हाट आर द इट्स एडवांटेज ओवर SSB, gives an example where vestigial side bands transmission is being used in particles. Or तीसरा, with the help of basic circuit diagram, verify, describe the principle of operation of a transistoid double balance modular circuit. Unit second. चौथा, what the frequency stability of the center frequency in n flop singulars is necessary with the help of the suitable blocks diagram. Verify describe the function of FM transmitter using some kind of frequency stability scheme of FM oscillator frequency. R. Verify describes the principle of operation of radio ratio detector. What are its disadvantage and limitation over Foster seeing discriminator. Unit 3. Evaluate various factors determining the range of the radars. What is the most dominating factors influencing the range in your option, and why it is so? Or what are synchronizing pulse? What is the necessary of the using horizontal scoring and vertical scoring? Unit 4. Explain the working of reflex spectrum with its schematic diagrams and applicate diagram. How is velocity modulation that's taking place in klystrons? Or Nomak A gives the concept of quantization and sampling so that quantization noise power is del square upon 12 for a linear quantization. P. Define PSK, describe the modulation and demodulation. MSc 4th semester physics paper 4 special laser electronics force. First, write the short notes on the following. Pehla, what will be the maximum number of outputs of a decoder with a 6 bits data world? दूसरा, what with the state of the output of encoder 74147 if the inputs are x3, x7, x5. तीसरा, draw a diagram to show how IC 7445 can be used as a 6 output distributor. चौथा, explain the difference between an EPROM and a PROM. सतवां, what is the world size of the following? A 16x8, B 32x4, C 64x8, D 64x16. छठवां, the LSB of 6-bit DA converter represent OIV. What voltage be represented by the following binary words? A 110101, B 011010, C 101010, D 110110. सतवां, draw the block diagram of ramp A/D converter. सतवां, explain direct and indirect addressing modes. नौवां, although a microprocessor world with binary numbers, ultimately hexadecimal numbers and are used to enter programs and data and the obtained output y. दसवां, in a 7 segments LCD display, which of the following segments should be illuminated to display the following decimal number 2591? Unit 2. What is a decoder? Explain the operation of a BCD to decimal decoder. तीसरा, draw a diagrams to show how multiplexer 74151 should be used to implement the following boolean function. F equal to a bar b c bar plus a b c bar plus a bar b c plus a b bar c a. Unit 2. चौथा, A. What are the difference between RAM and ROM? Explain in a brief system some important application of ROM. B. A certain ROM has a capacity of 1 KB. How many bits 7 can be stored in the ROM? What is the number of address line and data lines in this ROM? How can you obtain the capacity? A 2 KB, 2K word using 2 or more ROM, given that 1 word is equal to 2 bytes. Or explain the following. A. Statics and dynamics RAM. B. Bipolar RAM cells and statics RAM cells. Unit 3. 6 का A. Draw a R2R Lander network for 6 bits D/A converter. B. Draw the circuit diagram of a binary weighted register methods of 4-bit D/A converter and explain its working. What is means by the term resolution of a D/A converter and what is the its value of 4-bit D/A converter. 7. Draw the block diagram of successive approximation A oblique D converter and explain the operation. Unit 4 8वां. Draw a diagram showing how LED segment should be positioned and connected in the 7 segment LCD display. Now draw the architecture block diagram of a microprocessor 8085 and explain in brief the function of each blocks. MSc 4th semester physics paper first statistical mechanics state and explain the concept of equal a priori probability. दूसरा explain the signification of Lovelace theorem. तीसरा what is the density of states. चौथा explain the significance of variation equation of states. पांचवा what is the difference between canonical and grand canonical ensemble. छठवां discuss the importance of phase space of statistical system. सातवां classify the following particles on the basis of BE and FD statics: photons, neutrons, electrons, holes, alpha particle, hydrogen atom, hydrogen molecules and lithium ions. सातवां define density matrix, how does it vary with time. नौवां gives the basis of ionic models. दसवां define phase space, microstates and microstates. Unit first proof that the two-dimensional phase space a one-dimensional oscillator can be expressed as an ellipse. B. Explain Gibbs paradox, how it can be resolved by the concept of undisguised ability of the particles. R. Prove that Boltzmann formula S equal to K log W connecting entropy of and probability. B. Deduce an expression of the number of six-dimensional phase cells in one the range of E and E plus DE. Unit second discuss the importance of a partition function, so that the partition function for a monoatomic ideal gas of n dimension particles is given by Z equal to V के power n. Question 2 pi m kt upon dash square के घाते 3/2 where the symbols have their usual meanings. 15. पांचवा A. So that the means of energy terms of partition function Z given by E bar equal to minus delta by delta beta log Z where beta equal to 1 upon kt. B. Use microcanonical ensemble to derive the expression Maxwell velocity of distribution of a perfect gas. Unit third 6. What is the difference between condition of application of B, E and FD statics and under the condition of this distribution and reduce the static classical MB distribution? Or what is the perfect Bose gas? Derive the expression n0 upon n equal to question में 1 minus question में t upon t sub c का 3/2 for t is less than t sub c. For Bose-Einstein condensation, in what way Bose-Einstein condensation is different from the condensation of gas per liquid? Unit 4. Explain the fundamental assumption is Ising model, so that the one-dimensional Ising model never exhibits a phase transition, but for B equal to 0, t equal to 0, it exhibits a critical function points. Now discuss the theory involves in cluster expression of classical with the basic assumption. MSc 4th semester physics paper second nuclear physics second. पहला gives short no answer of the following. पहला what is the role scattering strength and is explained with theory. दूसरा explain change impedance and spin dependence nature nuclei force. तीसरा how is the wave differ from p waves. चौथा wave down importance evidence in supports of magic number nuclei. पांचवा gives an element any idea of collective models of nuclei. छठवां all particles have anti-particles explain. सातवां define strangeness discuss its importance. सातवां explain SU3 quartz model. नौवां gives one example of each of strong weak and electromagnetic interaction. 10वां writes quartz structure of summation bar comma k के bar 0 and omega bar particles. Unit first states the experimental evidences that points to the cell structure of nucleus. Discuss the structure, the success and applicability of cell model. Describe the liquid trap model and writes the limitation outcome. Unit second, write nuclear properties of neutrons and discuss its sense B state. Discuss about central and non-central forces of for proton scattering. Unit third, state and explain elementary idea of C, P and T symmetric and explain CPT theorem. How elementary particles are classified, explain characteristics feature of these particles. Unit 4, why must be the quarks in hadrons have different colors? Would they have to have different colors if their spin were 0 or rather than 1 upon 2? Explain the basic idea about the standards model in details. What are outcomes of these models? MSc 4th semester physics thirds 2017 special paper electronic thirds. Compare AM with DSB SC and SSB SC. दूसरा, कंपेयर स्क्वायर लॉ डिटेक्टर विथ द इनवोलेव डिटेक्टर. तीसरा, व्हाट आर द एडवांटेज एंड एप्लीकेशन ऑफ एफएम. चौथा, डिफाइन प्री इम्फेसिस एंड डिफेसिस. पाँचवा, डिस्प्लेन डिफ्लेक्सर. छठवां, व्हाट इज मीन्स बाय इंटरैक्टेड स्कैनिंग एंड व्हाट मीन्स इज एडवांटेज ऑफ ओवर ऑर्डरिंग स्कैनिंग. सातवां, नेम द 3 इंपॉर्टेंट माइक्रोवेव ट्यूब्स दैट कैन बी यूज्ड. माइक्रोवेव एम्पलीफायर. सातवां, स्टेट स्प्लैंगिंग थ्योरम. नौवां, ड्रा द ब्लॉक डायग्राम ऑफ PAM पल्स एम्पलीट्यूड मॉड्यूलेशन. 10वां, ड्रा द सर्किट डायग्राम ऑफ रेशियो डिटेक्टर. यूनिट फर्स्ट. दूसरा, वाई इज द सिंगल्स बैंड्स ट्रांसमिशन प्रेफर. डिस्कस हाउ प्रोड्यूस बाय मीन्स ऑफ बैलेंस्ड modulator. What are the advantage over the conventional amplitude modulation systems? Are तीसरा, draw the block diagram of generation and demodulation BSB singles and explain the principle of operation. Unit third. चौथा, what are the advantage of FM and AM? Derive the expression of spectrums of FM wave under the condition does spectrum not contains carried frequency. और पांचवा, ड्रा द सर्किट डायग्राम ऑफ फोस्टर-शेली discriminator. एक्सप्लेन इट्स वर्किंग. यूनिट थर्ड. छठवां, व्हाट इज रडार्स. गिव द ब्लॉक डायग्राम ऑफ ए बेसिक पल्स रडार सिस्टम एंड डिस्कस इट्स फंक्शन. और सातवां, गिव्स द जनरल प्रिंसिपल ऑफ इमेज ट्रांसमिशन एंड रिसेप्ट. एक्सप्लेन द वर्किंग ऑफ वीडियोकॉन कैमरा ट्यूब्स. यूनिट फोर्थ. आठवां, ड्रा ए नीट डायग्राम ऑफ रिफ्लेक्स क्लिस्ट्रॉन्स एंड एक्सप्लेन इट्स वुड एंड द फिनोमिनॉन्स ऑफ बचिंग ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. और नौवां, व्हाट डू यू मीन्स बाय पल्स मॉड्यूलेशन. डिस्कस पल्स एंड पल्स कोड्स मॉड्यूलेशन सिस्टम इंस्ट्रक्टिव विथ द डायग्राम्स. MSc 4th सेमेस्टर फिजिक्स पेपर 4 2017 स्पेशल पेपर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक 4th. गिव BCD टू डेसिमल डिकोडर. दूसरा, व्हाट इज डी मल्टीप्लेक्सर. तीसरा, डिस्टिंग्विशन बिटवीन मेमोरी सेल्स एंड मेमोरी वर्ड्स. चौथा, डिफरेंशिएट बिटवीन PROM एंड EPROM. पाँचवां, वेरीफाई फ्लैंड इनकोडर. छठवां, गिव्स द सर्किट डायग्राम ऑफ R to R लैंडर DWK कन्वर्टर. सातवां, व्हाट आर 1 बीट 2 बीट एंड 3 बीट इंस्ट्रक्शन. आठवां, वेरीफाई फ्लैंड काउंटर कंट्रोल AD कन्वर्टर. नौवां, एक्सप्लेन द फंक्शन ऑफ परफॉर्म बाय द फॉलोइंग इंस्ट्रक्शन. पहला, मोवा M एड B पुश D ड्रैल. 10वां, एक्सप्लेन कॉमन कैथोड डिस्प्ले. यूनिट फर्स्ट. व्हाट इज मल्टीप्लेक्सर. ड्रा द सर्किट डायग्राम ऑफ 4:1 लाइन्स MUX and explain its working. और व्हाट डू यू मीन्स बाय डिकोडर. सेट अप ए 7 सेगमेंट LED display using 7447 BCD and 2 7 segment recorder. Unit second. What is semiconductor memory. Give the classification of semiconductor memory. Explain ROM mask programs. ROM so a diode ROM organization with the array of 4 rows and 3 columns. Are explain statics dynamics RAM bipolar cells and statics RAM cells. Unit third. What are DWK converter. Explain weights register DWK converter. Write down the disadvantage of weights register DAC. or what is meant by analog to digital converter. Explain successive approximation. A/D converter with neat diagram. Unit 4 draw organizational structure of microprocessor and explain in brief the function of each blocks. Explain the operation of reflecting by LCD. Differentiated between LCD and LED. MSc 4 semester physics paper first 2018 statistical mechanics. First give the short answer type. What do you mean by the terms phase space and ensemble? दूसरा gives grand canonical ensemble. तीसरा discuss verify entropy of mixing and gives paradox. चौथा define partition function, discuss its value of a monoatomics. पांचवा explain the contact between statics and thermodynamics. छठवां describe the properties of an ideal Bose gas. सातवां discuss the application of MB statics of a classical ideal. सातवां what is the fundamental function postulated as statistical mechanics discussion. Now discuss the how statistical mechanics gives a physical picture entropy. Describe the cluster expression for classical gases. Unit first used in the study of ensemble. What is the importance of gives formulation of statistical mechanics, or what do you mean by statistical equilibrium of an ensemble for the space phase space representing of a single particles in the V calculated the number of phase cells in the energy range 0 gives that value of the each phase is HQ. What will be the microstates in the energy range E to E plus del E. Unit second. चौथा फर्स्ट हाउ डज कैनोनिकल ensemble differ from a microcanonical ensemble. दूसरा derive the expression for partition function of a candle ensemble made up of ideal gases molecules. Use the calculate the thermodynamical parameter like entropy and energy, pressure and chemical potential in the ensemble. और apply grand canonical ensemble of the system of perfect understand its thermodynamics. Unit third derive Bose-Einstein distribution law. Apply this statics study to photon gas or state the ensemble required of FD statics. Derive the FD distribution of so qualitative that it account the anomaly of specific electrons in metals. Unit 4 what is phase transition of second kind. Discuss many means field theory of Ising models in two-dimensional obtained by the equation of state give the interpretation of van der Waals constant A and B. How will you determine the Barrier coefficient. Unit 4th semester physics seconds nuclear seconds. पहला give the simple theory of deuteron. दूसरा what is scattering length, explain its significance. तीसरा what are the interference, draw the low energy NP and PP scattering. चौथा what are the limitation of nuclear cells model. पांचवा what are magic number, give experimental evidence for it. छठवां define isospin of isospin wave function. सातवां discuss the unusefulness of CPT theorems. आठवां what do you means by the reservoir and change conjugation. Now what are strange particles, write the main characteristic of strange particle. 10वां write the baryons numbers, charge and spin for alquars. Unit first discuss the neutron proton scattering at low energy. So how the injunction of spin dependence number force can explain that experimental result. तीसरा discuss the Meson theory of the number forces, explain Yukawa potential. The Meson theory of numbers force assumes the virtual exchange to pions. If a nucleus emit virtual pions, rest mass 270 Me. Calculate the rest mass of nuclear forces. Unit 4 unit second. चौथा discuss the essential features of liquid drop model of the nucleus. How can semi-empirical mass formula be derived from the drop model. States three similarities between an atomic nucleus and a liquid drops, or pachma discuss the collective model of the nucleus to show that it improvable of cells models. What are the facts on the fission explained by the collective models? Unit third. Chhatma, what are elementary particles? What are the conservation law elementary particles and their validity in strong electromagnetic and interaction? Satma, write notes. A. Strangeness and strangeness quantum number. B. CP violation in nature. K. meson decay. Unit force. Atma, what are quarks? Explain the quark hypothesis. Write composition of omega minus and pi minus and determine the value of strange using quartz composition. Nova, writes notes of the following: A. Quartz interaction. B. SU3 classification scheme of elementary particles. MSc 4th semester physics laser 3rd special paper electronics 3rd. First answer the following short. What does the modulation factors describe? Gives the its importance. दूसरा, explain vegetal side bands modulation. तीसरा, what is capture effect. चौथा, explain duplexer. पांचवा, define pre-emphasis and de-emphasis. छठवां, explain radar becomes. छठवां, what do you mean by synchronization. आठवां, what is the mechanism behind the transferred electron effect. नौवां, explain differential phase shift keying. दसवां, explain Keystone amplifier. Unit first. दूसरा, a carrier waves is amplitude modulated at radio frequency. Deduce an expression to show that the bands and produce so the amplitude modulation wave representation. और तीसरा, state the principle of super heterodyne receiver for the reception of amplitude modulated signals. Drawn the block diagram of discuss operator beam. Unit 2. चौथा, explain the resistance methods for propagating FM waves. पहला, फेट रेजिस्टेंस मॉड्यूलेटर. दूसरा, ट्रांजिस्टर रेजिस्टेंस मॉड्यूलेटर. पांचवा, explain with the help of diagram the working and importance of amplitude emitter. Unit 3rd, derive the maximum range of radar sets. How can we increase the range of the radars? Explain the working of image or recon camera tubes. Draw a neat diagram and explain its two sections. Unit 4, write is Guns oscillator. Explain its working with proper energy levels. Diagram what is bulk semiconductors. Gives its usage. Or draw the block diagram of a digital communication system. Explain each terms of its proper function. What is its advantage over the analog communication system. MSc 4th semester फिजिक्स पेपर 4th 2018 स्पेशल पेपर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स 4th. पहला, व्हाट इज मल्टीप्लेक्सर, मेंशन इट्स एप्लीकेशन. दूसरा, व्हाट डू यू अंडरस्टैंड बाय कॉम्बिनेशनल लॉजिक्स एंड सीक्वेंस लॉजिक सर्किट. गिव सम एग्जांपल. तीसरा, explain statics and dynamics memory. चौथा, what are the components of flex register. mention the purpose of the flex register. पांचवा, compare binary weighted register DWA and the Landau network DWA converter. छठवा, what do you understand by encoder. verify, explain the function. सातवां, verify, explain the operation of reflecting type of LCD. छठवा, verify, explain bipolar RAM cells and static RAM cells. नौवां, draw the circuit diagram of a 4/1 line multiplexer. 10वां, discuss the function of ALU of 8085 microprocessor. Unit 4, what is multiplexer. Draw the circuit diagram of a multiplexer. Write the Boolean expression for each out of so the converts of decoder into multiplexer or the multiplexer. तीसरा, give pin output of decoder 1 of 16 IC 74154, BCD decimal decoder IC 7445 and BCD 2 7 segments driver IC 74471A. how will the impedance of Boolean function using demultiplexer? Unit second. So what do you understand by the memory of memory cells? Discuss the various memory parameter. What is the means by the voltage and non-voltage memory? Pachma, discuss the ROM organization and with bipolar cell having 8 with 4 per words. Explain its operation. Unit third. Draw the circuit diagram of a Lander types digital to the analog converter and explain its operations. Draw the circuit diagram of RAM types A अपनी C analog to digital converter and explain its working. Unit 4. Write down the various component of 8085 microprocessor. Give the block diagram of 8085 microprocessor. Introductory detail. Now explain the following instruction. ADM extra C. Give the example of mentioned static flags. B. Write programs of the addition 8 bits number of 8 microprocessor. Complete. Om Namah Shivaya. MSc 4th semester paper 2019. Give the short answer the following. What are the fundamental postulated of statical mechanics? दूसरा explain the statical meaning of entropy. For the types of the canonical symbol suitable. चौथा classify different type of phase space. पांचवा 3 particles are distributed in 4 energy level. Calculate the all possible wave of this distribution when the particle of boson. छठवां distinguish between fermions and bosons. आठवां सातवां what do you understand by sensible with the allow of the subsystems to exchange the energy as well as the number of particles. What is degenerate gas? Which of the statics would you use to forming system having पहला electrons, B liquid He4, C meson, D alpha particle, D oxygen molecules. Narrates the variation equation of the state. Unit first. Prove that the two-dimensional phase space a one-dimensional oscillator can be expressed as an ellipse. दूसरा explain Gibbs paradox, how it can resolve by the concept of its distinguishability of the particle. No, okay. State and prove Boltzmann theorem is containing entropy and probability. दूसरा explain the concept of equal a priori probability. Unit 4 show that the partition function of monatomic ideal gas of n identical particle is given by z equal to t के पावर n. क्वेश्चन में 2 पाई m k t अपन h स्क्वायर घात 3/2. पांचवा use the micro canonical ensemble to derive the expression of Maxwell velocity distribution of a perfect gas. Unit third. What is the perfect Bose gas? Derive the expression n equal to n0. क्वेश्चन में 1 minus t upon t0 के घात 3/2 for t is less than t sub 3 for the Bose-Einstein condensation in way BE condensation in difference from the condensation of the liquid vapor are 7. Difference between Bose-Einstein and Fermi-Dirac statistics starting from basic assumption deduce the expression for distribution. Unit 4. आठवां so that the one-dimensional Ising models never exhibit phase transition but for b equal to t equal to 0 is must does exhibit the critical points. Or now obtain the practice the viral equation of states. What are the various coefficient determine. Unit 4 यही कंप्लीट है. ओम नमः शिवाय.